Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel on this sunny day. In this video we'll show you how we built the engine back in. So we were super excited to see Ian arriving with our brand new engine. When I say that this is a brand new engine, I of course mean that this is an overhauled Volkswagen Boxer engine. We did do some upgrades. This one has bigger cylinder heads and also a different camshaft, so it has the power of a DG already. Then we also bored it out to be a 2.08 liter engine, I think, so that also has a little bit more power. Next to that we'll also install a new carburettor, a Weber carburettor, and that will also increase the power massively. As you might remember, we also refurbished the differential and the transmission, so we attached that to the engine. And yeah, you might want to remember this seal. The plan is that this will stay together for a long time because we used stainless steel for almost everything to attach it.
Yesterday we prepared everything to put the engine actually back inside. So hopefully we can make that work today. So let's go!
And then we could just attach the engine to the van again. This thing does have a front and a back, we found out, so keep that in mind. So let's try it again, this time having the correct way facing the front. Ta-da!
So I don't know if you're familiar with these types of engines, but the coolant system is quite complicated. We have the radiator all the way in the front, and then the engine, of course, is in the back. The coolant liquid needs to go all the way from the front to the back of the car. Then of course this is a boxer engine. So we have basically two parts of the engine, two cylinders on the one side and two on the other. All in all, I guess the coolant system is one of the most complicated things you will ever see in a regular car. But the rest is quite straightforward, so that's great.
With this new engine we also have a little bit more power, that means also a little bit more heat. So in the future we'll want to attach an oil cooler to the oil filter, but before that we are going to do the old system still. For that the water pump has these two things delivered with it, and we're super happy that we found them because at first we didn't think we had them. This one will be for some coolant hoses when we have the cooler, but until that we can plug it up with this one, so that's super nice. So the engine is back in, not everything is connected yet, so we can't start it yet. The next thing we're going to do is put in some fluids and some oil, so we can test the pressure on that. So we started the engine, everything seems fine, the oil pressure is there, we don't have an exhaust yet, so we can't get it started for real. It's great that we're on schedule because in 1 week we have our wedding and we really want to use this van as our wedding car. So fingers crossed that we'll make it, we'll give that update in the next video I suppose. Thank you for watching and see you later.